Thank you very much. Grabe, masarap-sarap talaga nito. Oo, naku. Mamaya. Mamaya, dala nila yun. Kasi alam nila talaga na favorite ko ang mango. Kaya, yun yung sinasabi ko na pagsasira. Nagbumili ng mango sa tinitipid-tipid ko. Naku, maniwala kayo sa hindi. Tinitipid-tipid ko talaga yung mangga. Kasi nga, hindi naman si Sir lagi supermarket buying a mango. So that's why na tinitipid-tipid ko siya. Oo, naku, super talaga. Kaso si Sisi, she don't like this one. I don't, and si Madam also, I don't think so. Basta just what I know, just me and Sir, eating more this one talaga. Naku, mamaya talaga. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, mamaya pag kumain ako ng tanghalian ako, iulam ko siya. Naku, baka ako lang ito makakaubos. Mawalan si Sir ng ano ba yun, matira na siguro si Madam, si Sir ng isang piraso. Oh, ayan din. Bigay rin yan. From Jordan. Oh, diet yan eh. Naku, time come that I can spend vacation in the Philippines. I buy all this one and bringing also this one. Okay. To the Philippines. Tingnan mo yung donut to. Yung donut na bigay ni Madam and Sir and Sisi when they come. Arrive from their travel in the holiday aid from Jordan. Until now, tinitipid-tipid ko siya. Just imagine, tinitipid ko. Sabihin na lang natin, si Sisi nga, pag sinabi ko si Sisi, oh, you want to eat donut? I said, no, I don't want. I don't want anymore because you know that Grace is always eating. It's the favorite of Grace. So, tinitipid-tipid ko talaga siya. Para and once again, halanawi, ayan, very nice yan, very good. So here, this one is belong from her in Baghdad. You can visit what's that order also this one. That is the product, always this one. They have a lot of name of the mga sweets shop or bakery like this one of pastries. They have this one also in the Halwani. So thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving everything that we have. Thank you because God knows everything. And she is the one who knows our life, our health, everything that we need in our daily life. Okay, so ayan my name. Ewan ko kung anong name yata yan nakalagay. Okay, so once again. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Tulog pa kasi sila. Tingnan mo pa naman yung honey. Meron pa kasing konti bago ko itapon, nilagyan ko siya ng mainit na tubig. Kasi sayang din yun eh. Kumbaga, ano ko pa rin yan eh. Maiinom ko pa rin siya. Okay, thank you for watching.